Alright, 2017 fireworks. Legal and not so friendly in California. Start with some firecrackers. Morning glories. Basically some blast. Hell of bottle rockets. It's like 600 bottle rockets right here. Some cakes. Those are not California approved. Artillery shell. Black box. Roman candle called the Gambler. It's a good ass cake. Or Roman candle. Another little cake. Goes up in the air. Best fountain in California. Then, you know, gotta have the fountains. You know, you can't do all the illegal stuff without some legal stuff, or else you're gonna get caught. What else we got? Oh, rockets. 2 packs of these. What are these called, bruh?
Oots.
Neon rockets. Yeah, they're pretty dope.
Yep, and they're loud.
They're loud as hell. Some more stuff right here, you know. Got me my artillery shell. You know, got like 7 of these. Pretty good shit. More artillery shells. You know. Yep. Good stuff. More ball rockets. That's pretty much it though, bruh. Got that big ass box right there.